How to fix buffering in YouTube. Now, if your video is buffering while playing in YouTube, you should do few things in order to fix it. First of all, check if your internet connection is working pretty well. If not, contact your internet service provider and tell them to fix it at very first. Now, if your internet is working fine but YouTube is still buffering or not working, in that case, you should consider clearing the app cache for YouTube. Now, if that still doesn't fix your issue, go to your video and then tap to gear button and select quality. Now, you need to reduce the quality that you are playing on now and make it minimum quality as possible. For example, if you are playing your video in 1440p or 1080p, try reducing it to 720p or 480p. And after this, your buffering will stop and you can watch your video peacefully. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.